vanity. Princess, what are you doing? That's you in the mirror. Yeah. That's you in the mirror. Hmm? Wow. And yes, this is a hen. This isn't a male. So hens can sometimes really be fascinated about their reflection too. Who's that? Who's that, Princess? Is that you? Is that another bird you're gonna make friends with? Hmm? Hmm? Wow. Did your big wings. And if those of you are thinking this is possibly a male, no. Eggs have come out of her vent. So she's definitely a hen. You like looking at yourself in the mirror? Who's that? Is that Princess? Oh. Are you done now?
Bye-bye.